How to fix RedNote App Crashing. Is your RedNote app crashing again and again? Don't worry, here are some few easy ways to fix it. First, you can restart your phone, or you can go to App Store. The next method is go to App Store and search for RedNote and just update it. The update will be shown right here. If update is available, update it. Now the next thing you can do is go to settings, tap on general and tap on iPhone storage. Here scroll down until you see the RedNote app. Now once you see the RedNote app, tap on it and just tap on offload app. This will delete the app, but it will keep its documents and data safe. So tap on offload app. This may fix it. If this doesn't fix as well, make sure your phone has enough storage, as low memory can cause the apps to crash unexpectedly. The next thing you can do is uninstall the RedNote and restart your device and reinstall a fresh copy from the App Store. Like tap on delete app and tap on delete. Once it's deleted, you can go back in App Store and you can reinstall it from here again, and hopefully it may help. That's it. If it's still crashing, you can contact the RedNote support through their website. You can go to their websites. From here, go to Google, type in RedNote Center, tap on this first website, and you can call them from here, or you can also message them in WhatsApp from here. You can share your issue with them and they might further help you. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.